Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Good morning and welcome to Freedom Ranch. Today is Thursday and I am up here on my own again today. I'm going to start the day off by taking the Ranger on a ride down by the river. It's having a little bit of difficulty starting, so we're thinking if we run it for a little while, hopefully that will kind of clear things out so we can not have any issues with it. After that, I'm going to come up and I'm going to grease the tractor. I have never done it before. I have no idea what I'm doing. So this should be an adventure. It's always about learning something new here. And then I'm going to finish up some mowing. So good day ahead. I can hear the workers in the background banging away. So I can't wait to check out and see how the Yurt platform is going. We get it on Saturday morning. We have it delivered and then we are working on putting it up. So that should be a pretty fun video. Ooh, hopefully it'll all go well. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the video and have a fantastic day. This is the gate that we put in just a short bit ago.
What do you think, Daniel? That one or the middle one?
Hey, Fluffy Puppy. Oh, you're such a sweetheart. Are you helping?
Got Wayne down here, the majority of them come.
A bladed scarf. Very cool. Yeah, that will definitely.
Yes, this is a jig for the dovetails.
Okay. That's awesome.
Pieces on the chainsaw.
Oh, look at that. checked out the log cabin. Now we're going to go down and see the yurt site and see how things are going there. Holy moly. That's awesome. I've made it back to the tractor and now it's time for me to try and grease this puppy. I am asking you to please not laugh at me. I really have no idea what I'm doing. You guys have to remember that I grew up on the beaches of La Jolla, California, and I knew nothing about tractors or mechanicking anything until now. Really, so this is a learning curve for me, and the fact that Chuck and Gabe aren't here to necessarily guide me, it is going to be a bit of a guessing game. So Gabe gave me a little demonstration the other day, but it was pouring down rain and we were in a huge rush. So I don't think I learned a whole lot, but I'm going to try and do the best I can because I really want to get to mowing some more, and I know I can't do that until it's all lubed up so that I don't break it. That would be a very bad thing. Gabe showed me that I just stick this. I guess this is a little nipple is what they call it. Stick it on there. And then I somehow squeeze, but that one should be good. If I can get it off. Come on. Ooh, yeah. I just saw the grease come out there. So I'm good to go for that one. Yay! There we go. Oh, I see leaves of 3. I don't know if that is poison ivy or not. I'm praying it is not. Okay. No. To say this is awkward is an understatement. But I believe I'm getting it done. I unfortunately don't know how many there are, so I'm just kind of searching around for some. It's kind of hard with the glare. I see one there. This is confusing. I'm just thinking about joints. Like the joints on my body that need lubrication. I figure there's got to be a lot of joints on this puppy that need lubrication so they don't burn out. So I'm trying to think, what is moving or what needs to move? What causes a lot of friction? Okay, good. That looks like another one right here. Yep. There we go. Oh yeah. I am not afraid to get a little dirty, friends. If I was, I would not have moved out here. I'm thinking that that is one there as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. What I love about this is that I am learning to be a little more independent. Because there's nothing I dislike more than having to be waiting on someone else to get the job done. I'm learning. Okay, a couple more here. I don't think that got on there. This is tricky. I think they'd come up with a better way to... Uh-oh, I think I'm out of it. Oh, no, I got disconnected here. Oh my God! Look at my hand! I've been greased! Woo! chucked out me some rags. Very, very grateful for that. So the top part came off. Pretty certain it just fits it on in there. We'll see. It screws in. I think it screws in. One step at a time, friends. The cool part is I'm going to make sure that Bree knows how to do all this stuff too. Chuck wants her to take auto mechanics in school, which I think would be awesome for her. I just don't know if she would. But you never know. We shall see. Oh, there we go. Yes. Satisfaction. You can see it. Right there. See it coming out? Do it a little more, see if you can see it. Oh, there we go. Good. Now I can't get it off. Ah, there we go. Ah. I found another one. Oh, voila! It's full. It's an awkward fit. Oh, I don't think I got on it. I just made a big mess. Let's try it again. Get that off. Okay. Oh wait, there we go. There we go. Now I got it. Oh, come on. Ah, yes. Yes, I did it. I did it. It overfloweth with grease. Woohoo! Well, it should be good. I don't know if there's such thing as over-greasing. Ah, if there is, we're about to find out. I think I may have gotten them all. Could it be that I have performed my task? Oh my goodness, if I can get out of here. I like getting myself in tight spots. Okay, I think it's time to get on with the mowing. I can't wait to get a little more of that pasture land done. It looks so pretty when it's all mowed. So thanks for joining me on my grease gun adventure. Glad, hopefully, I was successful. We'll find out. Okay, so there's one more first that I have to do, and that's to fill this puppy up with some diesel fuel. So I've mentioned before in a previous video that when I learned to drive and I had to get gas in my car, it was suggested to me by my mother that I go to the full serve station, which is what I did for quite some time until I finally learned how to pump my own gas. It's kind of funny. Here I am filling up my tractor with diesel, and I've come a long way, and I'm so grateful for that. Now, if I can just lift this puppy up and fill her up, that's going to be the challenge. Oh, Lord have mercy. She be heavy. She be heavy. I'm praying I don't spill it everywhere. Get in there. Yay! The diesel is flowing. Woo. Oh yeah, baby. I got it done. Tighten that puppy up and we're good to go.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Try to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs get loud. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Leave my windows open.
So I had stopped here the other day to look for the walnut trees that we had planted last February because I really don't want to mow over them. And I had wimped out because the grass is so tall And ever since I got stung by those hornets, I'm just a little bit afraid of what I'm walking through. But I really need to mow this area. And if I don't find those walnut trees, and if I mow them over, Chuck will kill me. So I am getting out and I am searching. So I know we planted them in this valley somewhere. Oh my goodness, this grass is so tall. Where could they be? They have a metal, ow, those buggers are sharp. Metal fence around them. Oh, I found one, yay. Okay, good. So we definitely have to clear around this puppy. So there is a tree in there. Obviously, it's getting starved for sunlight. So we need to clear this up for certain. So there's one here, and then I see the other one right down there. Good. Okay, so now I know I should be able to see him when I'm mowing.
Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold.
So I know that there are some of you who are wondering why we're mowing over the habitat for butterflies and the bumblebees and whatnot. And I just wanted to reassure you that we are going to be building, or not building, but producing an area that has just tons of flowers and plants and all the things that bumblebees and butterflies love to pollinate. And so I promise you that even though we're mowing out these pasture lands here, the butterflies and bees will have an amazing place to thrive.